I love my Hydro Flask. I've had it for years and I used to use it all the time, and I stopped using it recently because I keep just having to take this off to drink out of it. And if I set it down, you know, I have to make sure I don't knock it off the car seat or whatever. It's not as convenient as it used to be. So I got this lid and I'm really tickled with it. It came with this seal on it that makes it a really great, tight, leak-proof top to have. And I like that it has this great big wide spout to drink from. It is basically a chug lid, and what that means is that it's not like drinking out of a straw. It's not like drinking out of the edge of this like it's a cup. It also just makes it super easy. You just twist it on, open it up, and even this, I mean, it's attached so it doesn't go anywhere. And it has that seal that I showed you, and I just love it. It's great big. It's not like a straw. It's super easy. I can put the top in the dishwasher, and that's great. I don't put the bottom in it only because I've got it decorated with stickers with memories of places I've been and events and stuff. So, but it is nice that I can sterilize this in the dishwasher. So overall, I'm thrilled. I'm so excited about that. And of course, it has the real flexible silicone handle here so I can still carry it super easy. Love it. I'm super excited about this.